completely disappeared now into this small. Still don't know exactly what color to describe this other than grayish cocoa color. Seems to be covering most of the wider part of the boot. Color that had very fine particles.
Buzz, this is Houston. You're cutting out on the end of your transmission. Can you speak a little more closely into your microphone, over?
Roger, I'll try that.
Beautiful.
Well, I had that one inside my mouth that time.
Sounded a little wet.
A little wet.
Neil's been on the surface an hour now. Buzz, not quite 20 minutes less than that.
In general, time spent in the shadow doesn't seem to have any thermal effects. We still inside the suit. There is a difference, of course, in the coming radiation and the helmet, so I think there's a tendency to feel a little cooler in the shadow than we feel out in the sun.
Columbia, this is Houston, over.
Columbia, this is Houston, over.
One hour and a half expended on the PLSSs now.
Columbia, this is Houston, over. Columbia, this is Houston, over.
Houston, Columbia, Delta.
Roger, you should have VHF AOS with the LEM right about now. VHF LOS will be at 40 minutes, 15 seconds, over.
Thank you.
Heart rates on both crewmen averaging between 90 and 100. Flight surgeon reports they're right on the predicted number of the BTU units expended in energy of work. And he thinks they're in great shape.
I look around the area, the contrast in general is comes about completely by virtue of the shadows. Almost complete down sun, zero phase, very light colored gray, light gray colored, like the halo around my own shadow, around the shadow of my helmet. Then as I look off cross sun, the contrast becomes strongest in that the surrounding color is still fairly light. As you look down into the sun, with a larger amount of shadowed areas looking toward us, the general color of the surrounding is darker than cross sun. Contrast is not as great. Surveying all the dusty area that we've picked up, considerably darker in texture. Now, I've picked up one. I imagine that this has been out by certain impacts that we've surveyor. The same is true if I survey cross sun along the area that we're walking. General, in addition to the fact that there are footprints there, general terrain where I've been up out of this surface material is generally of a darker contrast, surrounding color.
You can see Neil Armstrong bringing scoop.
The panorama I'll be taking is about 30 to 40 feet out to plus. But
say again which strut, please, Buzz.
So it seems again which strut, the plus V strut.
Roger.
And, right in this area there are two craters. The one that's right in front of me now, as I look off in about the 11 o'clock position from the spacecraft, about 30 to 35 feet across. And several rocks and boulders, 6, 8 inches across, varying sizes.
Neil is filling the bulk sample bag attached to a scale. You can see him in the picture. Buzz is behind the limb at the minus Z strut. That's the landing gear directly opposite the ladder. Neil's been on the surface about an hour and 10 minutes now.
I'm now in the area of the minus Y strut. Taking some section photographs.
Buzz is making his way around the LEM, photographing it from various angles, looking at its condition on all sides. Neil's still occupied with the bulk sample. One hour, 40 minutes time expended on the PLSSs now.
How's the bulk sample coming, Neil?
Bulk sample is just being sealed. Columbia, this is Houston. Go ahead, over.
Roger, no marks on the LEM that time. I did see a suspiciously small white object with coordinates burned.
Go ahead with the coordinates on the small white object.
But I'm not sure that it's him, and it's right on the southwest rim of a crater. I think they would know it if they were in such a location. It looks like their lamp would be pitched up at quite a degree. It's on the southwest wall of a smallish crater.
Roger, copy Echo decimal 3 and 7 decimal 6. And Columbia, this is Houston. While I'm talking to you, LOS will be at 111 19er 31. AOS 112 05 43. Over. Columbia, this is Houston. Did you copy LOS, AOS times? Over.
Copy. AOS. Negative, Houston. You're broken. Disregard him. I got him off the flight plan.
Roger, out.
The